Hello Kartapult users! In this guide, we'll learn how to implement the Increase Budget strategy in Kartapult, an automation strategy designed to optimize your Facebook ad account performance. This strategy enhances performance by strategically allocating additional funds to campaigns and ad sets. First, navigate to the Automation section and click on Automation Strategies. Then, under Facebook Ad Automation Strategy, click on Increase Budget. Choose the strategy type between short-term and long-term. The difference between these are: short-term strategy operates on hourly frequency, while long-term strategy operates on day-level frequency. Long-term strategy doesn't allow budget resets and offers more options for defining time duration, while defining conditions for strategy making. Enter a name for your strategy. Then, to create budget scale-up strategy, choose your campaign objective. Let's say we're selecting sales. Then you need to choose the level at which you want to apply this strategy. For example, we are choosing at campaign level, and then select the funnel at which you want to apply this strategy. Let's say we are selecting TOF. You can also use this filter button in which you can search any campaign or ad set by a particular name. For simplicity, we are not using any filter right now. Click on Find Assets. Then it will display all the assets over here in the TOF level with sales as objective. You can use this toggle button to choose to show your active and inactive assets. You can also use the toggle button to automatically add newly created assets. You can select all the assets at once, or you can select them individually. Since it's a campaign level strategy, so here, you can see a note stating that campaign level increase budget will only apply to CBO campaigns only. Then you need to define the actions by which it will increase the budget. You can increase the budget by percentage or by rupees. Let's say we are selecting percentage. Enter the value over here by which we want the budget to increase. Select the time period in which the action for increasing the budget will be taken, like 1 in 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, etc. Set the budget type among daily, lifetime, or all. So if we're selecting all, it will include all the assets of these budget type. In Until section, put a limit value to the budget for the selected assets. You can either enter a static value over here. Increase in budget of all the selected asset budgets will not exceed this limit value. Or, if you chose dynamic, you can assign a conditional approach to budget adjustments, ensuring that the strategy is only activated when specific criteria meets. Let's say we're selecting cost per purchase of all selected asset for the last 3 days. So it will get fetched over here, and you can give a multiplying factor. So until the budget increase reaches this value up to only that moment, this condition gets triggered and budget will get increased. Also, if you want to check your total account budget, you can check here. You can also put a surf limit for your account budget not to exceed the assigned value from this strategy. Then, to define condition for this strategy to work, you can choose between these all key matrices. Let's say I'm selecting CPC for the last 3 days. Here also, you can select between the static and dynamic conditions in the same way. For simplicity, we're selecting static for now and entering a value. You can also combine this condition with another condition and choose AND or operator between these conditions. If we select OR, the strategy is triggered if either of conditions is met along with fixed condition. With an AND condition, all conditions must be fulfilled for the strategy to activate. For simplicity, we're selecting only one condition at this moment. Now, for fixed condition, we need to decide on the minimum amount spent condition to trigger, choosing the last 3 days for now. Here also, you can choose between static and dynamic conditions. It's necessary to assign the hours since creation attribute. If an asset's duration is not greater than 48 hours, it will be excluded from the strategy. This is done using the hours since creation parameter. Now let's consider the triggers. How do we plan them? Do we want to run the strategy continuously or on a specific date? That choice can be made here. If on a specific date, then we'll need to set the start date and end date. But for simplicity, we're selecting to run continuously for this instance. Also, the activation setting needs to be chosen. If we opt for continuous execution, that's possible. But if it's meant to run on specific days and hours, those also can be selected. We can also include or exclude any day or time for which we do not want this strategy to trigger. For this instance, we are choosing Run Continuously. You can also reset the budget at any scheduled time. You can reset the budget at midnight, or you can reset the budget at any given point of time on the following day. When you click on Publish, your strategy will get triggered, and it will increase the budget according to the given conditions. Thanks for watching.